You are 19 years old. Your hands are covered in grease. A cheap socket wrench sits in your hand. Every dollar you saved is gone. Right in front of you is an old BMW E36. It has more than 250,000 miles. The paint is faded. The roof lining hangs down. Oil stains cover the driveway. Most people see a broken car. You see your first step toward freedom.
Owning this car isn't easy. The check engine light never goes away. Coolant leaks almost every week. Sometimes the engine refuses to start. You spend your weekends fixing one problem after another. You watch repair videos late into the night. You read old BMW forums looking for answers. You can't afford a mechanic. If you don't fix it yourself, you don't drive.
Then the sun goes down, the roads become empty. You start the engine. It shakes and growls, but it runs. You press the gas. The rear tires lose grip. The car slides through a quiet corner. Your heart races. For a few perfect seconds, you forget every problem in your life.
People laugh at your old BMW. They only see its age. They don't see the hours you spent fixing it. Every repair teaches you something new. Every drive makes you a better driver. This old machine is changing your life. You started with almost nothing, but this is only level 1. Much bigger machines are waiting.
Level 2, the street racer. Your old BMW has changed. Months of hard work have paid off. The suspension is lower. The wheels are wider. A louder exhaust shakes the air. Every upgrade came from your own paycheck. You skip vacations. You skip expensive meals. Every dollar went into this car. Now it finally feels alive.
This isn't just a car anymore. It's your project. You know, every bolt, every scratch has a story. You can hear when something isn't right. You can feel small changes through the steering wheel. The BMW has become part of you. You built it with your own hands. Tonight, you drive into the mountains. The roads twist through the darkness. Every corner comes faster than the last. You brake. You turn, you press the gas. The rear wheels push the car through the bend. Every movement must be smooth. One mistake could send you into the trees.
Your hands never leave the wheel. Your eyes stay locked on the road ahead. Your heart beats faster with every corner. The engine roars through the valley. The smell of hot tires fills the air. Fear and excitement become the same feeling. You don't just drive anymore. You dance with the machine. Every night teaches you something new. How to brake later, how to turn smoother, how to control the slide. You stop fighting the car. Instead, you work together. Confidence replaces fear. Your skills grow with every mile. Soon, an even faster world will open its doors. Level 3, the Autobahn Executive. Years have passed. The old project car is behind you. Now you sit inside a powerful BMW M550i. The seats are wrapped in soft leather. The cabin is quiet. The doors close with a solid thump. Outside, rain falls across the Autobahn. Inside, everything feels calm. This is speed with comfort. You press the gas. The twin-turbo engine comes alive. The speed climbs quickly. 80 miles per hour. 100. 120. The car stays perfectly stable. The steering feels solid. The suspension keeps the ride smooth. You barely notice how fast you're going. BMW learned how to build fast engines long before it built luxury cars. That history still lives inside this machine. Every part is made for high-speed driving. The engine stays cool. The brakes stay strong. The car feels planted on the road. Instead of fighting the speed, you trust it. The world becomes a blur outside the windows. Trees flash past. Road signs disappear in seconds. Yet inside the cabin, everything feels peaceful. You sip your coffee. You adjust the music. You cruise at speeds that would be illegal in many countries. For you, it's just another drive. But the next level leaves comfort behind forever. Luxury is over. Now only performance matters. Your next BMW has no interest in comfort. It was built for one purpose: to be as fast as possible around a racetrack. Every extra pound has been removed. Every part's been upgraded. Now, the real challenge begins. Level 4, the Apex Hunter. You pull into the racetrack before sunrise. The air smells of fuel and hot rubber. Your BMW M3 is waiting. There are no soft seats, no fancy speakers, no extra weight, only a racing seat, a roll cage, and a steering wheel made for speed. This car was built to win.
The green light flashes. You launch forward. The engine screams toward red line. You grab the next gear. The car flies into the first corner. Your body is pushed against the seat. Every turn comes faster than the last. There is no time to think, only time to react.
One mistake changes everything. Brake too late, you leave the track. Turn too early, you lose precious time. Press the gas too hard, the rear wheels slide. Every lap demands perfection. Every second matters. The stopwatch never forgives mistakes.
Lap after lap, you improve. Your hands move without thinking. Your eyes always look ahead. You know every corner, every bump, every braking point. The car feels like part of your body. You've mastered the racetrack. But now, your driving skills attract attention from people outside the racing world. A message appears on your phone. No name, no number, just a place and a time. The job pays more money than you've ever seen, but there is one rule: no questions. You accept. Without realizing, your life is about to change forever.
The black market.
Midnight arrives. Your black BMW M5 waits in the shadows. No badges, no bright colors, nothing that attracts attention. The windows are dark, the engine is silent. A secure message appears on your phone. It contains only one location, one pickup, one delivery. Nothing else. You arrive at an empty warehouse. The streets are silent. A stranger places a locked case in your trunk. You never ask what's inside. You never ask who owns it. Your only job is simple. Drive, stay unseen, reach the destination before sunrise. Failure is not an option. Halfway through the trip, blue lights appear behind you. Your heartbeat jumps. You stay calm. You press the gas. The twin-turbo engine explodes with power. The BMW races through empty streets. Every turn must be perfect. Every second counts. You know the city better than anyone. You avoid busy roads. You disappear into narrow streets. Within minutes, the flashing lights are gone. The package reaches its destination. No one knows your name. No one remembers your face. That is exactly how your clients want it. The money keeps growing. So does the danger. Every mission becomes more risky. Every client becomes more powerful. Soon, ordinary criminals stop calling. Now, governments, business leaders, and world diplomats need someone they can trust behind the wheel. Your next mission will be your biggest yet.
Level 6, the armored escort. Your new BMW looks like a luxury sedan, but underneath it is built like a fortress. The doors are reinforced. The windows are bulletproof. The tires can keep rolling even after being shot. Today, you are not protecting a package. You are protecting human lives. Everyone inside the convoy depends on you.
The convoy moves through a dangerous city. Every street feels quiet, too quiet. Your eyes never stop scanning. Every parked car looks suspicious. Every rooftop could hide a threat. You stay alert. One wrong decision could cost innocent lives. Without warning, a loud explosion shakes the road. Dust fills the air. People begin to run. The convoy stops. Your training takes over. You hit the gas. You steer around the wreckage. There is no time to panic. Gunfire echoes through the streets. Bullets strike the armored doors. The heavy glass holds. The engine keeps pulling forward. You drive through blocked roads. You push abandoned vehicles aside. The BMW becomes a moving shield. Its only mission is to get everyone out alive. Minutes later, the convoy reaches a secure checkpoint. The passengers step out safely. No celebrations, no interviews. You quietly drive away. The mission is complete. Years of skill have brought you here. But one final destination still waits. A place where legends never fade.
Level 7, the Munich Ghost.
The missions are over. The races are over. The long nights are finally behind you. Now, you sit inside the BMW Museum in Munich. Bright lights shine above you. Stop to admire your car. Children point at it with excitement. Take photos. You are no longer just another BMW. You have become a legend.
You were an old car sitting in a broken driveway. People thought your story was over, but every repair,
Every race, every risk brought you here. Now engineers study your design. Collectors dream of owning you. Your story will inspire future generations.
Your engine no longer roars. Your tires no longer leave marks on the road. You sit quietly behind polished glass. But your silence tells a powerful story. A story of hard work. A story of speed. A story of passion. Some legends don't need to move to leave an impact.